Okay, I went to Lowe's and I picked me up a new toolbox. My old one was just too big, so I consolidated down and got me a new one. Got all my little loose Allen keys over here. Screwdrivers. These are the standard Allen keys that I just picked up from Lowe's. Got O-ring pick in here. These are the metric Allen keys that I got. The loose ones and the ones on like the key set of them too. Oil, got E-oil and some extreme rage oil. Q-tips, batteries, lens cleaner from Walmart. It actually works really well. And you get free refills on it too, so yep, get that at Walmart. More batteries, tape, sleek, some like pliers and stuff like that in there. My multi-tool knife down there too. Always comes in handy. Teflon tape. And that's pretty much it. Got a nice new one. It's much more smaller than my old one, so that helps out when I'm going to the field. That's pretty much it.